Good afternoon. I'm going to present you my two joint ventures. The successful one is Kimberly Clark and Scott Paper, and the one that failed is AOL and Time Warner. So I will start with Kimberly Clark, which is a company that makes products of family care, baby care, adult and feminine care, personal care, and professional and healthcare for industries, business, and also for home. So in 1993, Scott Paper was going down. It was in a falling point. So it got to lose to 275 million in that year. But suddenly, the year that followed, in 1994, it started going down because of some adjustments that they did. That they started closing warehouses from 16 to 90. They reduced them, and they also fired a lot of people and did a lot of arrangements in order to bring the company up. So